Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to learn about polymerization. I am Professor Sukriti Joshi from Department of Applied Science Chemistry at Royal University Ahmedabad. Before we are going for the polymerization, we have to know about some of the basic concepts of polymerization. So before that, what is a polymer? So a polymer is a long molecule formed by joining together of thousands of small molecular units by small or by chemical bonds. Afterwards, if polymer is made up of monomer, so what do you mean by a monomer? Small molecules which combine together to form polymer molecules are known as monomers. They are the basic units or they are the main units of any of the polymer. Now, we have known that what is the monomer, what is the polymer. After that, what do you mean by polymerization? Now, the chemical process leading to the formation of polymer is a polymerization. You can say that a process or a manufacturing process of polymer is known as polymerization. Now the number of monomeric units contained in the polymer is known as degree of polymerization. These all are the basic concepts that we need to know before we are going for the polymerization. Now classification of polymerization. Polymerization can be divided into two parts. First one is addition polymerization or chain polymerization, and second one is condensation or step polymerization. So from that, first one is addition or chain polymerization. Basically addition is a reaction in which we are going to add something. So addition is a reaction that yields a product which is an exact multiple of the original monomeric molecule. Now addition polymerization is the joining together of two or more simple molecules called monomers to form a new compound of the same empirical formula called a polymer, which has a very higher molecular weight, and this process is basically known as polymerization. Now the polymers formed by addition polymerization are thermoplastics, basically a type of a plastic only. From that, mainly that includes polythene, polypropylene and polystyrene. As we know that basically poly word is used because the manufacturing process that is used for their manufacturing is polymerization. Therefore they are known as polythene, polystyrene and polypropylene. Now for an example, we have a number of ethene molecules. These units are known as monomers. They all combine together to form one polythene, or you can say this structure is a polymer. These all are monomers. They combine together to form one polymer. They are joining together by various chemical bonds and finally they form a polythene molecule. Likewise, any other thermoplastics can also be formed with the use of polymerization. Now next is condensation or step polymerization, a reaction occurring. What do you mean by basically a condensation polymerization? So a reaction occurring between a simple polar group containing monomers with the formation of polymer and elimination of small molecules like water, HCl. That process is known as condensation or step polymerization. This may be confined as or defined as the process in which the monomer molecules of different compounds combine with the loss of some simple molecules like water, or you can say HCl. Here the releasing, or you can say the release of small molecule or simple molecules is occurred. That is the main difference between chain polymerization and you can say step polymerization. That occurs, or you can say that polymer is bound with the chain, and here it is a step polymerization, step by step progress or step by step manufacturing of a thing. That is known as a step polymerization. This process can produce both thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. As you know that there are basically two types of plastics, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. This can produce both type of plastics, so widely used by various industries. Next is that for an example, polyesters, nylon are formed by this process. These two are formed by condensation or chain polymerization. For an example, nylon 6:6 is formed by this process. One is hexamethylene diamine molecule, second one is adipic acid. Both combine together to form nylon 66 or nylon 6:6. Here you can see that H2 molecule is released. Now this polymer is known as nylon 66 because of the 6 carbon atoms in both the hexamethylene diamine and the adipic acid. So here you can see that both the monomers are different. There the monomers are same, they all combine together to form one polymer, while here two monomers are different and after that they are going to form one polymer. Next is copolymerization. Basically copolymerization is the joint polymerization of two or more monomer species. A higher molecular weight compounds obtained by the copolymerization are called copolymers. For an example, formation of SBr, that is styrene butadiene rubber. There are two polymers are there. First one is butadiene, second one is styrene. When they both combine together, they are going to form SBr, that is styrene butadiene rubber. This is the combination of both the molecules, and these two molecules are combined by chemical bonds. Now what are the industrial applications of polymerization? Basically ABS, that is acetonitrile butadiene styrene. It is used in refrigerator, cleaning, loan, in garden equipments, and you can say even in the toys also. From that, acrylics are widely used in lenses, transparent aircraft enclosures. It is widely used in that only. After that, nylons are used in bearings and gears. Polythene is widely used in flexible bottles, toys, tumblers and battery parts. You can say ice trays also contain polythene. These are the references. Thank you.